Hey YouTube, Kimber Zellick here. We're going to do some threading now. I've made a few changes in the gearbox. So, this is A, B, C, and D. What they're asking for is 40 teeth on A, 65 on B, which is, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a second gear there. That would be C, that's any gear. No, that's not right. That needs to be on the outside. Well, this is going to be wrong, but let's see what happens. I'm supposed to be 45. No, I got it right. 45, 65. I use 60 just as a filler to make 45 work. And that's what they say to do. So, let's get on with it. I think I have everything set up here for a smooth operation. You just bear with me for just a moment. We're going to zero the poor man's DRO. Now, the other times I've done this on the compound slide where I'm advancing the depth of the threads, thought I learned that you want to decrease the depth increments as you get deeper. Now, taking my compound apart, so taking the digital readout that I had on there off and reassembling it, I lost the spring that goes on the dial, so I'm really not able to tell how far I'm advancing that. But we'll just try to go really easy and just kind of try to listen to it and try to feel it out. Now, the last time I did this with high-speed steel, the machine just didn't seem to have enough torque to do this operation. So I'm hoping with the carbide insert might help that situation a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out what number I'm supposed to engage my wheel on. 18. I can either use a 1 or a 5 to start. So let me get up here and get close. I just want to scratch it, which is what I did. So I'm going to set this at 0. I'm going to give it a little power. Now, to get this thing started at 1 or 5 is going to be a challenge because this wheel is flying. Okay, so my cross slide, I'm going to back out 10 thousandths. Let's make it 20 thousandths. Let's make it 30 thousandths. Now that's part of what my lack of knowledge here is. You would think if I brought this back 10 thousandths, I wouldn't have any contact, but with the compound, I guess, with the compound adjusting the depth, I guess that changes all the rules. So if anybody can help me on that. So I'm just going to barely budge this thing and try to start it here on 1 or 5. Try a little deeper cut this time. Come back into 0. You see I lost my gut. Okay, and here comes 4, 3, 2, 5. Yeah, see I missed my mark there. Now not cutting threads. So I'm going to revert leave this thing running. I'm not going to disengage this thread wheel. I'm just going to turn the machine off. Back it out. Hit reverse. Turn it back on. Now, I think my gear train must be too tight. Going backwards. Okay, let me take a look at my gear train. There is a lot of torque on it. I'm going to try to loosen up my gear train a little bit and see if that'll help. I'm still here. Maybe, not such decrease the engagement of the gears, maybe would help me. Okay, I may have solved that problem. So I'm going to advance the compound and then forward. And I'm nowhere near the piece. You gotta give me a break. I had a little distraction.